As college students, we are busier than most people realize, tackling both school full-time, working different amounts of hours, and able to support ourselves, all while trying to be an active member in our communities and in our families. We know better than most the need to be able to grab fast food on the go, but how many options are there really that are both fast and affordable for our generation? By living here in the Phoenix Valley, we are one step ahead of many in our generation. All over the area, there's an affordable, healthy option for fast food on the go, and that's called Salad and Go. I have worked at Salad and Go for about a year and a half now. I became a manager there last June, I believe, because it has really become something important to me. I love working there. It was my first job and has taught me so many great things and skills that I will use for the rest of my life. I want to be able to encourage you all to eat healthier and faster food without losing your routine or hard-earned dollars by informing you the benefits about Salad and Go. As society itself, we've gotten used to eating on the go and grabbing food from restaurants or drive-thrus because it's easier and setting our health to the side, allowing for more convenience for ourselves. But this, however, is leading to extreme levels of obesity all across America. According to the CDC, 42.2% of all Americans during 2017 and 2018 were considered obese. People shouldn't be giving up their health in exchange for ease, especially when it's possible and affordable to have both. People are responsible for their own health, but we are responsible for giving them tools in order to succeed. Salad and Go does that by offering both healthy and affordable food for everyone. From nutritious veggies and packed salads to protein-filled burritos in the morning, Salad and Go is working hard to provide a better and more healthy source of food for people. Salad and Go offers fresh organic food to all that it reaches. As stated on the website, their food philosophy is believing in using fresh, whole, and natural ingredients and organic as much as possible. Whether you're ordering through the drive-thru, walking up to the kiosk, or placing an order online through the app, we believe in one speed and one pace at Salad and Go, and it only takes about 45 seconds to make that food for you. Not only is Salad and Go healthy, but unlike most restaurants, it's affordable. For a 42-ounce salad, along with 4 ounces of your choice of protein, you can get that all for as low as $5.74. No other place is offering such fresh, healthy, and organic food at such a low price. And I promise you, you will not be hungry after eating this delicious salad. Salad and Go is built to offer people a better and more affordable option for nutrition in order to help them balance their daily lives. When Salad and Go first opened in Gilbert, the mayor, John Lewis, stated that it's not just a business, it's a place to focus on nutrition, fitness, and community well-being. By eating from Salad and Go, people all over the valley have access to organic, nutritious foods that will and have already begun to make such a difference in so many people's lives. As people work on their own health and fitness, Salad and Go is an important place and makes it possible. By settling for anything less than the best, we as people can put our nutrition and needs to the side, but Salad and Go is making the difference and making it a priority for all. So next time you're in a crunch and in need of some food, I encourage you to not settle for greasy, processed food, nor to pay so much and break your bank for fresh food, but to visit your nearest Salad and Go. By visiting Salad and Go, you get the best of both worlds, both fresh and affordable food. Unhealthy eating has become an all too familiar lifestyle for busy Americans, but there is a local, healthier option right here in the Valley. Why would anyone eat unhealthy or overpriced food when you could head to your local Salad and Go? You might be a college student like me, juggling 5 different tasks at once, but don't forget the easy and convenient step of going and eating healthy. Next time you're hungry, be sure to head to your nearest outing.